We have reviewed all of the letters in the alphabet. There are 26 letters, 21 consonants, and 5 vowels. We also reviewed the 2 ways to write the alphabet letters: lowercase letters and uppercase or capital letters. In this lesson, we'll learn about alphabetical order. It's a special way to order the letters. Let's get started. Learning alphabetical order is important for many reasons. Books in a library may be listed by alphabetical order. Names on a class list may use alphabetical order, and dictionaries use alphabetical order to list words. Let's look at some examples of alphabetical order. Here are some letters. Which letter is missing? Think about the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F. So D. D is the missing letter in alphabetical order. Let's look at another example. Which letter is missing? Again, it might help to think about the alphabet song. H, I, J, K, L, M. So L. L is the missing letter in alphabetical order. Let's try one more example. Which letter is missing? Q, R, S, T, U, V. So V. V is the missing letter in alphabetical order. When we put words in alphabetical order, we first order the words by their first letter. Then, if any words have the same first letter, we order those words by their second letter, and continue until all words are ordered. Here's an example. This is a list of animals in alphabetical order. Ant begins with A, so it is placed first. Bear begins with B, so it comes after ant and before cat. Here is another word for our list. Cow. Where should it go? It begins with C, so it has to come after bear, and it should come before dog. But does it come before or after cat? Let's look at the second letter in cat and cow. A and O. Which comes first in alphabetical order? A or O? Because O comes after A, we will put cow after cat and before dog. Great! Let's practice putting letters and words in alphabetical order. These activities will help you improve your ability to put letters and words in alphabetical order. You can do as many of these activities as you want, but to complete this lesson, you need to complete at least one. Select this activity to type the missing letter from an alphabetical order list. In this activity, you will see a group of letters with a missing letter. For each group, decide which letter is missing according to alphabetical order. Then type the missing letter. Click the Next button when you're finished. Nice job! Good job. You got it. Correct. Nice job. Correct. Right. Nice job. Good job. Nice. You have completed all the required activities. In this activity, you will see several words on the screen. Click on each word to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Click the Next button when you're finished. In this activity, you will see several words on the screen. Click on each word to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Click the Next button when you're finished. Nice. Nicely done. Good. Nice work. Good. Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to move on. Remember, alphabetical order is used in a variety of situations. Being able to use alphabetical order is a useful skill. Let's move on.